courts won't enforce employment contracts that are unconscionable, which means seriously, deeply unfair. And there are a bunch of different ways that a court will determine if a contract hits that level of unconscionability, including if the employer took advantage of the employee's vulnerability. So here's an example. Let's say the employer was planning on firing you, and then they notice that the termination clause in your contract actually isn't enforceable anymore for reasons I've spoken about in previous videos. And so they say, okay, if we fire him now, we're gonna owe him common law notice of several months. So let's give him a new employment contract, get him to sign it in exchange for a signing bonus, and limit our termination obligations to, a handful of weeks. If they give you that contract and they don't tell you that they're also planning on firing you shortly, well, that is taking advantage of your vulnerability. And so the court generally won't enforce that kind of contract, which means you'll still be entitled to your common law notice entitlements. And the other thing is, this actually did happen in a case several years ago, and the court also found that that conduct by the employer was so unfair that it actually entitled punitive damages for the employee as well.